Acid rain describes any form of precipitation with high levels of nitric and sulfuric acid. It can also occur in the form of snow, fog, and tiny bits of dry material that settle to earth. Causes. The primary causes of acid rain are sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide released by certain industrial processes, and as a result, the more industrialized nations of Europe, as well as the United States, suffer severely from acid rain. There are natural causes. Fires, volcanic eruption, bacterial decomposition, and lightning increase the amount of nitrogen oxide on the planet. And anthropogenic causes too. Acid deposition is mainly caused by the release of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide during fossil fuel combustion. Automobiles produce about half of the world's nitrogen oxide. Once the tiny pollutant molecules have entered the atmosphere, they can travel for thousands of miles. Eventually, the particles will combine with other compounds to produce new, often harmful chemicals. Then, acid rains come down to the earth in the form of rain, snow, hail, fog, frost, or dew. Once it reaches the ground, the acidity in the substance can harm and even destroy both natural ecosystems and man-made products.
The acid rain. Effects on the health of the people. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide in acid rain can pollute the air. This pollution can cause respiratory diseases like asthma or chronic bronchitis. In this picture, we can see the element that produces the acid rain. Effects on vegetation. Acid rain kills microorganisms that fix nitrogen in plants. These plants lack of essential nutrients. These make plants more vulnerable to pests and weather. Effects on the water. Acid rain changes the pH of lakes, rivers and seas to a level below of pH 6. This effect is known as acidification. In this picture, we can see that pH below 7 is harmful for the life. Acidification hinders the development of aquatic life of animals and plants. This situation affects the food chain, causing the deaths of a lot of fish. Effects on building and objects. Chemical compounds in acid rain are corrosive. They can dissolve calcium carbonate, spoiling monuments, buildings and sculptures built with marble or limestone. They can also damage the painting of cars, buildings and objects.
Solutions for the rain acid. We could reduce as much as we can the use of sulfur in fuels, and we should control the condition of combustion. We could do a rule of emission of sulfur and nitric oxide to establish a limit, and all the companies have to fulfill it. We should increase the use of the natural gas in certain industries and expand the use of the electric car. We must clean our lakes and rivers. We must close the refineries and nuclear power stations that contaminate.